Your portable bandsaw's drive wheel is made of plastic. The drive gear is attached to it, and it has splines that engage with the rubber drive tire. Over time, the abrasive metal shavings can wear both the wheel's hub and the tire splines. If the blade becomes bound up in a workpiece, the wheel could be cracked where the drive gear attaches. Replacing the wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the drive wheel from the bandsaw. Now I can begin installing the new wheel. I'll need to transfer the tire from the old wheel to the new, as well as the gear. I'll start with the tire. I'll pull the old tire away from the wheel. You'll notice there's notches inside the tire, and those align with the splines on the wheel. I'll align a couple of the splines, and then work the tire onto the wheel. And now I can transfer over the gear. It's secured with 3 screws. Now I can reinstall the wheel assembly. I'll apply some new grease to the gear, then install the first spacer washer, followed by the wheel assembly, then the second spacer washer, the thick washer, and I'll secure it with the screw. And that's all it takes to replace a wheel on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.